Today we are in Argostoli. We're gonna go to the beach. Whoop, whoop. You ready for the beach, Sonia?
I think so.
You look ready. The picture Evan showed was really pretty. We got ourselves a little cabana thingy. Here's ours. You ready to get in the water? Is it cold? Oh my gosh, yes, it is cold. Ooh, but it's pretty clear. Coming? Get in here. Woo! The waves are cold. Oh. What?
My pants changed.
Oh yeah, it did. Ah. I'm pretty used to it now. At least my bottom half is. Argostoli beaches. I'm not quite sure what beach this is actually. It starts with an M, I think. But it's very pretty. Very nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Hey babe. At least the water is clear enough that we would see a shark. If there was a shark. No sharks. It's very pretty. Like you can see. Crystal clear. Very pretty. Somebody's yacht out there. Evan's being a chicken. I'm like almost all the way in. He's way back there. It is cold at first, but you get used to it. Come on, babe. You did it. Woohoo! It feels good, I think. Finally made it out here. Feels really nice. Very pretty beach. That one got me. They give you a bottle, tiny little bottle, and you said it's a Greek wine?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good for their just stock stuff.
Yeah.
I like it.
Good. Good, good. It's a cute little hotel. It's overlooking that. And our
Never
ship.
mind the ship.
Don't mind the ship. It's a cute little hotel. If you come to Greece, Argostoli, you should stay here because it is adorable. This is the beach we were at.
That's right. How about you?
Good.
Got my card, ready to get back on the ship.
You're ready. We're back from the beach. About to say goodbye to Argostoli. It's very beautiful behind me. And the beach that we were at was so nice. That was probably the nicest beach I've ever been to. Like compared to America, their beaches, I have yet to find a really nice beach in America that was equal to that. I mean, the water was crystal clear. It felt great. When we got in, after we got wet, it felt great. That's what she said. But yeah, it was just nice. It was one thing I noticed is that there was probably about 4 or 5 women who were topless, just hanging out. And let me tell you, they were not women that were in shape. They were very heavy women. That was interesting. Can't wait to go to another beach. What if that thing stopped right in front of our room? Why? I don't know what's happening, but this is just moving in front of our balcony. Not sure what it is, but there it goes. Can you tell what it is?
How they like clean some of these
Windows? There's that pretty building in Greece. I'm not sure if it's a lighthouse. It's like one fancy lighthouse. It looks like a building from like Hercules. Okay, go for it.
Go for what?
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going to see a comedian. And then we're going to Brazilian steakhouse.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
We're having dinner very late tonight.
Yeah.
Like 9 o'clock.
Almost 9.
And I'm already hungry, so
We had a big lunch though.
I had a
late
salad.
lunch.
I had a salad. That was it.
Okay, well I had a big lunch.
Yeah. You had a big lunch. So yeah, we're gonna go see I think it was a juggling comedian.
Yeah, he tells jokes while he juggles.
So
Is that it?
hopefully it's pretty entertaining. Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Me neither. That'll be something new. So, alright. Well, we're headed out. We're here for the show. And we're the only ones.
Slightly early.
There's no one here. Except for us. Run away. Get away. We came back to our room and we got a little teddy bear. Or is that a cat? What do you think? Cat or bear?
That's tough.
It's a bear cat. Is that a thing? Isn't a bear cat a thing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's a type of cat, isn't it?
A bear cat?
Yeah. It's a college mascot, the Bearcats.
That's true.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so genius.